Okay, welcome back to the final video in our four-part series on our four operations with fractions. In this video, we're going to be looking at subtraction. So let's jump right in. So as with addition, let's start off with a really easy one to start with. Let's just go 4/5 take 3/5. Well, we can see already, as we mentioned in the last video, we need the same denominator when it comes to adding and subtracting fractions, which we already have there. So we can go straight on, and 4 take 3 is 1. And we carry our denominator over. So 4/5 take 3/5 is 1/5. But let's try something a little bit more complicated. Now, in the last video, we we realized, or we came to the conclusion that we need to have a common denominator before we can add or subtract. So let's try something where we need to get a common denominator. So let's try this one. 7/9 take 3/4. Well, now, one of the easiest things for us to do here in this case, we need our common denominator. So what we are literally going to do, we're just going to multiply these two. And that's going to give us a common denominator. In this case, 9 times 4 is 36. Now, because these numbers are opposite each other, we know that to get to 36, this one down here, we've had to multiply this by 4. Now remember, what we do to the bottom, we do to the top, times 4. 7 times 4, so, hold on. So 9 times 4 is 36, and 7 times 4 is 28. Now, likewise, on the other side, to get 4 to 36, we've had to multiply by 9. But what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top, so multiply by 9 again. 36. And what is 3 times 9? 3 times 9 is 27. Now that we have our common denominators, we can go ahead and conduct our subtraction. So with a denominator of 36, 28 take 27, well, that's only 1. So we can see right there straight away, 9/7 take 3/4 is 1/6. So remember, as always, find that common denominator. What you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top, and then your subtraction works out. I hope these videos have helped. If you do need to go back and re-watch them, pause them, maybe have a go at a couple yourself, please do. I'd really encourage you to. As always, if you have any questions, write them down, bring them to class. Make sure you remember them when you come in, because if you don't remember them or you don't write them down, we can't help you out fixing them. Okay, see you in class.